Have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography one 60-second photo tip at a time. Are you still placing your subject right in the center every time? That has its place, but let me show you a more engaging approach. One small shift can instantly make your photos look more professional. Here's the rule of thirds. Imagine a grid like tic-tac-toe or noughts and crosses laid over your image. Instead of sticking your subject in the middle, try placing it along one of the lines or at the points where they intersect. Why? Because our eyes are naturally drawn to these spots. It creates balance, flow and makes your photo feel more intentional. I'm sure you'd agree that this image would have less impact if the mountain was centered. And this works for portraits, landscapes, street scenes, even your dog sleeping on the sofa. And once you start noticing it, you'll see it everywhere, from movie posters to Instagram feeds. Want to know when to break the rule? Well, when doing so tells a better story. That's where creativity comes alive. Anyway, it's a tool, not a rule, so feel free to ignore it. If you'd like to explore more composition tips, the link to the full video is just below. And if you're ready to push your photography further, grab my free ebook, also linked below. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon.